Google for Nikon's official website. Choose Products and Solution, then Imaging Products, and look for Support option and select Nikon Download Center. You can either type your camera model number or choose the type of camera and the model from this given list. Once your camera model is chosen, select Firmware. You will have the latest upgraded firmware version. Download the firmware upgrades for the camera and also the upgrade file for your lens controls. Choose the type of OS you use in your computer, either Windows or Mac. Since I am using Windows, I am clicking on it. If you need things to be more specific, you can read what are all the upgrades in these newer versions and the difference from the previous. Then license agreement if you wish to. Accept it and download for both camera and for lens control upgrade. The files which you have downloaded will be in zip format. So extract these files. Make sure a proper backup is done before formatting your camera's memory card. Copy the .bin file from the extracted files and paste it to your empty memory card and eject memory card from your computer in a proper way. While doing this upgrade, lens have to be dismounted from the body. Then once the card is inserted, switch on the camera and look for firmware under settings and upgrade it. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes depending on your memory card reading speed. Once the upgrade is done, format the card again. And copy the camera upgraded file to the card. Do note that you cannot copy both upgrading files together at the same time. You must do it one by one. For updating the GPS file, selecting the OS and downloading files all will be same as what you did before. But only thing you need to do before copying GPS file is to create a new folder in a memory card, naming it as Nikon, and copy the downloaded GPS file to the newly created folder. If not, it won't list in your camera while updating it. Then in your camera, select location data, GPS options, and then select update a GPS data. And your camera is now upgraded to full newer versions.